Welcome to the channel, and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to look at how you can enable dark mode in Windows 11. Many users prefer dark mode because it reduces eye strain, looks sleek, and helps save battery on some devices. First, go to your taskbar and right-click on the Start icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, when the Settings window opens, click on the Home section if you are not already there. Then, scroll down until you find the option called Color Mode. Click on it, and you will see different choices. Finally, select Dark, and Windows will instantly switch to dark mode. You should now notice your system background, menus, and apps reflecting the dark theme. Enabling dark mode in Windows 11 is quick and simple. It can make your screen more comfortable to use, especially in low light, while giving your desktop a modern look. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.